Hey everybody in YouTube land, I hope you're doing well. I thought I'd make a really kind of quick video just to let you know. I'm sitting here in my studio and with all my paintings around me and my gallery, and I'm just so excited. I am finally getting a page up and running for online tutorials. And I'm going to do painting tutorials. It's going to be the basics on acrylic pouring. It'll be more advanced acrylic pouring, but it's going to be step by step. So every step of the way, I'm going to do tutorials like that. And I will have one that comes out in May that will probably come out first, that I filmed at my mentor's studio in Asheville, North Carolina. And it's one of the kind of medium to advanced pours that I do with intention. Regardless, anybody can do it if they just pay attention and watch. I've got my first course that's coming out live today, and I will provide the link below the video. So just look below the video where it says show more on your computer, or if you're on your phone, look for the down arrow where that will bring you below your video with all the description underneath. And I will provide the link to the e-course, but it's an online course. And if you are a creative, or it doesn't have to be painting, it could be gaming, fishing, sewing, mixed media, sculptor, singer, it doesn't matter. Whatever your gift is, you can start your own YouTube channel. And this is what this first course is going to be about, is how to create your own YouTube channel from the start to the finish. Every step, I'm going to take you through it step by step on my computer screen, showing you exactly how to put in all the default information, how to get monetized, how to find ways to supplement income. If you're wanting to take your hobby further and go to the next level of being a professional artist, then this e-course is for you. So I want people to learn how they can start their own YouTube channels. And I worked really hard on it. I hope you will enjoy it. If you go take a look at it and you'd like to purchase it, I hope it gives you every bit of information that you need to get started with your own YouTube channel. So I wish you a lot of luck. And I also will have a sheet that comes along with the course that gives little timestamps during the videos that will also, you can go back and refer to it if you want to go to a particular place in the YouTube creator background behind where the filming goes on, all the setup information and all that. I have a sheet that will tell you where to go find each particular thing that you're looking for. So I hope you really enjoy it, and I look forward to bringing you all kinds of new tutorials the rest of the year. I am just super excited because this is what I love to do, is to teach people how to paint. That's my gift. That's my calling. And I want to teach you how to do pouring, but I also want to teach you how to do abstract paintings and how to do birds and flowers, and I love to take requests. So if you have a request on what tutorial you would love for me to do, by all means, please comment below. Or send me an email at sandra@sandralett.com, and I will gladly put that on the list of things to do. That's what I want to do. I want to share my knowledge with everybody, and the e-courses will be a course that you can purchase and you have lifetime access to it. And then, if it's painting videos or whatever it is, it's going to take you through step by step. So it's not going to be fast forwarded through a lot of the stuff like I do on YouTube videos. It's going to be step by step, and you're going to paint along with me. So I'm really excited about it. I'm looking forward to some painting tutorials starting in May and going forward from there. I'm looking forward to adding all kinds of stuff to do. It's just really going to be a blast. It's not going to just be acrylic pouring, even though I love acrylic pouring. It's going to be acrylic pouring and so much more. Who knows, I might do an acrylic pour let it dry, and that will be the beginning of my tutorial on how to paint something realistic on top of a pour. I've got all kinds of ideas in my head. So thank you for being a subscriber. Thank you for following my art journey. And I hope you will come check out my online e-courses as I get them up and rolling. But like I said, if you want to start your own YouTube channel, this is the course for you. It'll show you what you need to do. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.